Good girl, Raven. Hey, hold on. You got tangled. You're on top of your line. Let me fix you up. Raven, come here. You got the bungee between your legs. Come here. Good girl. Back up. Come here. I'll fix you. I'll fix you up. Wait, hold on. One leg over. There we go. Good girl. All right, Angel. Thank you. Come on, Raven. Stay off the ice. That's our pond. It's all frozen, so it's safe, but we don't want to go on the ice. Come on, let's go. Back with me. Good girl. Pull, pull, pull. Come on. Thanks for the likes, everybody. Let's go. See if I can keep my balance going down the hill. Hey. No, that's the woodshed. Woodshed. Good girl. Let's go. Let's go, Raven. Come on, back to the trail. All right. It's a good workout. The snow's deep. Good girl. That's you. Come on. What are you doing? You laying down in the snow? You're a good girl. Don't get tangled on the line. You ready to keep running? Say hi to everybody. Let's go. Come on. Hey, wait. This way. Whoa! You almost pulled me over. Back this way. Here we go. Full speed ahead. Oh. It's a lot steeper than it looks. There's the house up there. All right, here we go. Where are you going? I think there are 9 people watching right now. Not too bad. Not the best, but we're still having fun. Raven sees her shadow. What is that, Raven? What's that shadow? It's a big wolf shadow. Whoa, you're gonna pull me over. There's my shadow. Let's go. Come on, Raven, back to the trail. Good girl.